was your highlight on campus?
I really enjoyed the Halloween party.
What's your favorite part of campus life?
My favorite part of campus life are the mini events.
Yeah, for me, definitely too.
What is your highlight on campus?
My highlight on campus is actually the Studium.
What was your favorite experience on campus?
Well, I would say my favorite experience on campus was definitely the international dinner, because you can connect with so many people, you try so many different dishes from different cultures, and it's really a nice experience.
What's your highlight on campus life?
Well, my highlight was the welcome week, where I met a lot of new friends, like him for example.
That was also my highlight.
Which part of campus life makes your day better?
For me, it's clearly the rap pavilion. After lectures, to connect with your friends, having a beer and meeting new people.
What was your favorite experience on campus?
So for me, it was definitely the Uniball. It was super nice going there and seeing everybody dressed up and looking all nice and cute and like dancing with my friends and seeing the professors there. It was super cool. Also the casino was there, so we could gamble a little bit, and it was such a beautiful experience.
What is your favorite part about campus life?
Well, obviously sports. Wait, I'm late for my match.